The new CR-V, Honda's worst-kept secret, made an unofficial debut in February when fully revealing patent images of the SUV's exterior revealed its evolutionary styling. The sixth-generation model is now in the spotlight. The Ministry of Industry and Information Technology in China has homologated the revised model. Images of upcoming models are published on the MIIT site as part of the process, ensuring that they are as authentic as possible. These images show the version that will be sold in the world's most populous country, but the global model should be nearly identical. It's not the most exciting design, but it does look more modern than the fifth-generation model, which has been on the market since 2016. The local Dongfeng Honda Joint Venture's 2023 CR-V measures 4,703 mm, or 185.1 inches long, 1,866 mm, or 73.4 inches wide and 1,690 mm, or 66.5 inches tall. The model with all-wheel drive seats 5 people, while the one without the AWD badge on the tailgate seats up to 7. Thanks for watching, and give your comments below.